Chapter 21, Part 4, Translation. Now, this is the final video of this series, and we have three quotes here. Un goutte d'eau tient quelque chose du vaste océan. Voltaire said this, and it means a drop of water holds quelque chose, something of the vast ocean. And the idea is if we have a little bit of evidence, that might reflect some much larger phenomena. Kind of a poetic way of talking about sampling, which is near to me because stats is one of the main classes that I teach during the school year. I only teach French during the summer. So a drop of water holds something of the vast ocean. And the second one is a quote from Pascal that he had an experience very similar to me. And he says, Seigneur, je sais que je ne sais qu'une chose, c'est qu'il est bon de vous suivre. So, Lord, talking to God, je sais que je ne sais qu'une chose. I know that, then we've got je sais with ne que. I know that I know only one thing. And then it is that it is good to follow you. So literally it says, Lord, I know that I know only one thing. It is that it is good to follow you. Now it flows a little bit better in English if we take out this say and just put a comma in there. Lord, I know that I know only one thing, that it is good to follow you. And the third one, un tien vaut mieux que deux tu auras. So what we have here is one take. So tien, like hold this, or we could translate this as take. It's the imperative from tenir, which normally means to hold. But if you just say tien, that means take this. One take, vaut mieux, is worth more than two, you will have. That's the future of avoir. So one take is worth more than two you'll haves. So that's like our expression, bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Something realized is better than something that there's just a lot of potential for. Well, this ends the series on French for Reading. I hope that you've learned a lot from it. Maybe you've even enjoyed it and gained some insights into language. And my hope is that if you have an exam following this series, that you pass it and you can continue on with your graduate work.